Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the planning and development of road infrastructure. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, the presence of skilled and experienced highway surveyors is essential to ensure the efficient and accurate design of highways. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, collecting data, and analyzing the terrain to create detailed maps and plans for road construction projects. By using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, highway surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad can accurately measure distances, elevations, and angles, which are vital for designing safe and functional highways. The role of highway surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad extends beyond just measuring and mapping the terrain. They also collaborate with engineers, architects, and urban planners to develop effective strategies for road construction. By understanding the unique requirements of the area, these surveyors can provide valuable insights and recommendations to optimize the design of highways. They consider factors such as traffic volume, speed limits, existing infrastructure, and environmental impact to create road designs that are both practical and sustainable. One important aspect of highway surveying in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad is the use of SCON design. SCON design refers to the process of analyzing the soil conditions along the proposed highway route. This is done by taking soil samples at various depths and locations and conducting tests to determine its composition, strength, and stability. By understanding the soil characteristics, highway surveyors can make informed decisions about the type of construction materials and techniques that should be used. This information is crucial for ensuring the durability and long-term stability of the highway. Road infrastructure planning and development heavily rely on highway surveyors. To ensure the effective and precise design of highways in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, it is crucial that there are qualified and experienced highway surveyors on hand. To provide comprehensive maps and plans for road construction projects, these experts are in charge of conducting surveys, gathering information, and assessing the topography. Highway surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad can precisely measure distances, elevations, and angles, which are essential for designing safe and practical highways, by utilizing cutting-edge surveying tools and methods. In Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, a highway surveyor's job entails more than just measuring and mapping the landscape. They also work together to create efficient road construction plans with engineers, architects, and urban planners. These surveyors can offer insightful analysis and suggestions to improve the design of roadways by being aware of the particular needs of the region. They develop road designs that are both practicable and sustainable by taking into account elements including traffic volume, speed limits, existing infrastructure, and environmental impact. Use of SCON design is a crucial component of highway surveys.